Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today is Sunday, guys. I know you haven't seen us in quite a while. We haven't done a cooking video in quite a while, guys, and it's because I am so busy with school, guys. Yes, I am going to school. I'm doing my degree. I'm doing early childhood education. Yep, so that's why I'm so busy, guys. But however, today something is biting me. Today we will be doing another cooking video for you guys, and we're on the outside. It's a lovely day. Hope we don't get any. Hope we don't get any rain.
Look at the sky.
Yep.
Look at the sky.
Moise, look at the sky.
It's about to rain now.
It's about to rain now.
Yes.
No, it's not gonna rain. Yes, guys. So we're gonna do a cooking video on the outside. But guys, I have a whole lot of little puppies running around all over the place. One right now is biting my foot. Here today, doing the cooking. So over here are some Irish potato. I have macaroni, guys, and this is the Grace pasta elbow. Yeah, macaroni. Over here I have some beef. I'm gonna do some curry beef, guys. I have the oil to use. I have the Irish potato to go in the beef, and the sweet pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, and all of that. And I have some vegetable here. Also, I'm gonna do some lettuce also, but I'm not gonna take it out of the fridge. I'm missing something. And also sweet corn. This sweet corn is going to go in the macaroni, and I'm gonna put mayonnaise with that. And I'm also gonna put some Irish potato in it, guys. So I'm not gonna cook any rice today, guys. I'm just gonna use these. We're eating too much rice, guys, so we're basically tired of the rice. Yeah, and it's a thing for Jamaicans to do rice and peas every Sunday, so we don't want to do any rice and peas today. We just want to do, you know, some pasta. Yep, so stay tuned, guys. Let's get all these things ready, but first let us light the stove.
Walk away from you, because he don't want anyone to mess away from his honey. That's so. If someone left his honey, I think hey, mommy. I'm too weak. Are you burning keep me? I'll give you a fire. Sorry. Mommy, this is mine, is it? No. It's long.
Mike, give me the little bitty pieces there over there. The small pieces and small pieces. Put them in the middle. Guys, I'm using gas.
That's the fire. The fire make it. Mommy, don't put me in the fire. The fire make it explode.
Maya, I'm gonna go.
Finally, just right. Yay! Something was eat. Mom.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna do the beef. Alright guys, so I'm trying to let this stay steady. It seems like it's going to be steady, so I'm going to have to put it like that. I'm going to let the oil, I want to put it on 2 pot one time. So I'm going to let this oil hot, then I can look at the puppies. Come, don't push, Jessica, call them. I don't want to push over the camera. Go, 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 go puppies, go. Go. Go, you little puppies, go, 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 go. Go. Go.
They're so curious.
Go. Go. Guys, guess what for dinner?
Puppy.
Guess what for dinner?
That's your puppy.
It's my puppy. I'm not gonna cook you guys. I'm not gonna cook you guys. I like
You guys
you
look
guys.
so cute.
Mama, TikTok over behind your speech.
Nightmare, why you always clap your hair?
More stay away.
Oh, yeah.
Move, doggy. Move, doggy. Move. Doggy, move. Might get burned. Go, go, go. Just gotta take them away. Take them away. You get burned? Hush, don't come back here. Just go and get the meat for me. Get the meat. Get the meat.
Okay.
Here, Jessica. Go for the cover for me. Not the pressure cooker, the small pot cover. Go inside for a nice small one. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let this stay on the fire for 5 or so minutes and make its own gravy. And then I'll add some water to it. I want to put another pot on the fire, guys. Doggy, don't come here. Don't come here, puppy. So you get burned a while ago?
Yes.
Yeah. Woo. Are the doggy just like a taxi?
Taxis.
Taxis?
Yes.
What the heck is that?
I made up random names, okay?
Ooh, the smoke is killing me, guys.
What are those two doing over there? Are you trying to climb a tree?
I mean, I noticed.
Right.
Mommy,
Every time we go, anywhere we
Everywhere I
go,
move, the smoke follow.
Something climb a tree.
But someone else, if someone else is there, it doesn't go off there.
Are you stop in the front? You stop at the front and me stop at the back. Let's see where your smoke is going to go.
Nightmare! Nightmare, no! That's nightmare!
Come here, come eat like. And me don't like push on them.
Put him down.
Hey doggies! You guys are looking for some shelter? Huh?
And they're getting
Hey! Hey doggies! Hey doggy
When you do
doggies!
video, Mommy.
This one is mine.
This one's mine. You name three now, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Which one's mine? 3 years and 3's mine.
Come here, my puppy. Come here. I was gonna cook you. Come, don't bite, Jordan. I was gonna cook you today. Want me to cook you? Do you want me to cook you? Huh?
Hey, Lisa.
Huh? Don't lick my foot. I'm not your mommy. Lisa, why you beating up the puppies?
Why you
That's
being
not
up?
nice.
Those puppies.
You must take care of them, Lisa. You're older.
Yes, and they're little.
See, baby kitty, take care of them. Look, come here. Go kiss baby kitty. Kiss baby kitty. She's your friend. Come, go play with baby kitty. Go on her back. Ride her. Ride her, yeah? See, baby kitty don't trouble them. And Lisa is the oldest one and you're troubling them. That's not nice, Lisa.
That's not nice.
Okay, guys, let's get back to cooking.
Mommy, I found a...
It's making its own water. Look at that. Rich, thick. Yep. Nice. That's what we want, guys. That's what we want. Look at that. Woohoo. I'm coming, Jessica. So we're gonna give it a little bit more, probably 2 or so more minutes. And then I don't want to put any more fire underneath it as yet. Just want a limited amount of fire so it doesn't burn. Trying to put most of the fire underneath the potato. I'm going to put the macaroni in it also. Uh, Let me try put this. Maya, don't come here. Stay away. You bring a spoon? Stuff going in my pot. Skip it. These are just things from off the hood, the hood. Nothing dangerous. Okay, so I'm going to put the macaroni in now, guys. But first, let me put some salt in. My assistant chef is helping me. Jessica, you helping mommy? Go, Jordan, Maya. Go,
I want to
go.
help too.
No, you guys can't help.
But I want to be this. I want to be. I'm the customer.
You're the customer?
Yes.
When I finish cook, you can eat. I'm going to let this boil up some more before. Hot. Before I put the macaroni in, guys. I want the water to boil up first. Jordan, get away from here.
Mommy. Open. Tap it.
Wow, guys, it's time for it to get some water. The fire is high underneath it now. Come, Jessica. Woo. Bring some more. Don't come, Jordan. I thought I had coconut, not coconut milk, cock soup. I thought I had cock soup. But I realized I don't have any cock soup. So I'm gonna cook it without the cock soup. Give me the pressure cooker cover, Jessica. Jordan, leave the puppies alone. Come. Jordan, go. This is not the cover for it, this is not the weight for it. Different weight is. But it's alright. Puppies, go, man, you get burned. Go. Jessica, move them. God. Move them. Put. Okay, guys, look at that. The potato is ready to get the macaroni now. Just gonna pass the macaroni, please. Okay. Puppies, go. You're gonna get burned. Go.
I'll take
It's not dinner time. Go. See, they keep coming again. Come for them, Jordan and Maya. Yeah. I want the knife.
I take the bag. I take the bag, mommy.
No, Jordan, go. Don't want you to get burned. Go.
Then to sleep.
I should be holding him down.
I can hold him.
Puppies are giving them a warm time, guys. Look at that. Every time they move the puppies, they keep coming back.
No, you. Yeah.
Everyone, these puppies are crazy. No, and crazy and cute too.
Go try it in the bin. Thanks.
Welcome.
No, Maya, put them down.
Fight. Run, puppies. Mommy, they're underneath you.
Doggy, come. Go. You're gonna get burned. Go.
See, what do you should get something underneath it or something?
Maybe they see macaroni. They smell macaroni.
Maya, go put them to bed. Bring them over there and put them to bed. Come, Jordan, go put them to bed. Bring them over there. Maya, over there.
Over where?
Over where the kin something is, where they can get cool shade. fighting. No fighting. No fighting. Stop biting your brother. Put them over there, Jordan. Them lay down. Put them to bed. Lay down and sleep. Lay down. Watch out, they're coming back. They're coming back.
You want the story?
Take Maya, put them down. Go put them down. Tell them a story, Jamaya.
There's a little puppy.
And you tell her.
There's a little puppy named
They listen to the story. Sure, they listen to the story.
And once upon a time, there was a big monster.
Maya, don't tell them about the monster. They're going to get scared.
I'm not gonna get there.
Oh.
One's quiet.
Then the puppies bite them up. And they bite them up. The monster just goes.
That one keep going back over by the fire. He wants to get burned. Come, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Little puppies. Yeah, my turn story. Oh.
And then the puppies ran. And then a big fire came. So they broke the fire with their elemental breed.
You,
When they broke the fire, the little rascals broke the fire and destroyed the whole city with a little cuteness. And when they destroyed the whole city with the cuteness
Just got to hold on to his foot.
cuteness made them so happy. The cuteness make the people
You fell asleep on Jessica's foot.
with their sharp teeth, their big claws. And they made up their own house without food. That's all you need. Learn the puppies! Puppies!
I don't like the way the sky looking right now, you know. Look at that. The sky changed. It was so pretty earlier, but now it's getting a bit dark. Yep.
Why do you make up
Jamaya,
nails?
leave the dogs alone.
I'm gonna go wake up by them. And then we can have these good nights. Look at the two little puppies. You spat on the little puppy.
Move, Jordan.
I want to eat a carrot.
Here,
Yeah. A carrot?
give Maya a piece.
Carrot.
No, don't give her. I'll give her.
Don't give her, don't give her.
Go, Maya, go.
Carrot.
A piece too?
Yes. Thank you.
Watch him jumping up and down. You hear me great times. I can't eat carrots.
I begin to
I'm gonna use no any mayonnaise in the vegetable because Jordan, my son, doesn't like when mayonnaise is on his vegetable. I started putting the mayonnaise on the vegetable and I remembered. So all I'm gonna use is some vinegar. Go, Jordan. Vinegar, salt, and
Sugar?
and sugar. Okay, guys, it looks like it's cooked. Gonna taste one. It's cooked. Yep. And potato is also cooked. But what I'm gonna do, guys, let the water dry out of it, and then, because it's not sticking to the pot, so that's good. So I'm gonna allow the water. Oh Lord, Jessica, guess what? I totally forget to put the mixed vegetable in. Go in the fridge for the mixed vegetable. I'll put the bag tight in the fridge. Quick, 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 before this me totally forget about the mixed vegetable, guys. Honestly. Maya, come here. Come, Maya, bring it. Come again. Put more.
Yeah. Why is it so cold?
It was in the freezer. Yeah. Try so. You can try the bag.
Yeah.
And listen to that, guys. Can you hear my pressure cooker going? So dinner will be ready soon. It's cooked, guys. Wow. Tastes nice. I'm gonna add some coconut milk to the beef. Now, guys, I'm gonna put some seasoning. So I have some some thyme, some sweet pepper, onion, hot pepper, Irish potato, scallion, garlic.
I begin to. I begin to.